I'm screwed. I'm all by myself. Holy crap. This really sucks. This fuse right here, that's your ignition fuse. As soon as you turn it on, press the button, it goes pop. Come on, baby. Oh, you son of a... No one's home at my house, which that's okay, but the problem is I don't have my vehicle that can tow my trailer at home. My daughter took it away for the weekend. Now here's the thing that's really cool about the ATVing community. I got a hold of one of the guys, Devin, he lives up the road. You know what, I don't know Devin that well. Devin's a good guy. Got a hold of him, he's like, hey, guess what? I am home. It's like, what, 4 o'clock in the afternoon? He goes, yeah, I'm home, but my bike's down. I'm like, oh crap. I go, well, I got the 570 at home, so I'm gonna need a tow, but I don't have a vehicle at home to tow. They don't both fit on the trailer, you know what I'm saying? He's like, okay, I'll get my truck, I'll bring my ramps, we'll go to your house, pick up the 570, have to tow the Renegade out of here, and then we'll have to hook up the trailer, put one bike in his truck and everything. All right, I'm on my way to walk out of here. Probably take me 10 minutes to get to the road, but still sucks. And you know what, it's funny. I was filming a video for Fin Trail talking about the gear and how it's lightweight and everything. And I always say it's comfy, it's great for walking. Like, seriously, like, I have no qualms about walking freaking 10, 15 minutes in this stuff at all. What are you gonna do? Great day for a walk in the woods, eh? Look at this friggin' bypass trail someone's made. Well, it's been here for a while, but it's not that great anymore. The funny thing is, though, is there's another trail around. Like, an actual trail. Oh, this is awesome. The walk of shame. So hopefully by the time I get... Whoa! Slippery. So hopefully by the time I get down there, Devin will be there to pick me up. He's got a truck. Thank God he's got a truck. Man, I gotta get a truck. This is bullshit. How are we getting in? We're gonna have to double. Who's riding in front? Who's riding in the back? I don't know. Actually, the funny thing is, though, you can almost drive a truck down here. This part you can. Gets a little narrow up that way. Here's my savior. I was talking to Richard on the phone. He's like, oh, you should make a video about it. I'm like, yeah, maybe. Here's my savior, Devin.
What happened?
Step one. Well, I've been having this problem with the ignition fuse blowing. Starts perfect. Started it freaking 20 times.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go for a ride today, gonna do make a video and stuff. And I shut it off, setting the cameras up, and then nothing. Change the fuse.
So it's getting wet or something then, maybe?
Well, I don't know. It's... Yeah, well, there you go. It's like, it is great to go out with a partner.
Yeah, for sure.
That's for sure, but I mean, what's the odds of the freaking machine not starting? It's pretty rare. We're making progress, boys. We're making progress. Well, the Renegade's over there. It's kind of camouflaged, actually, from here. Maybe we'll take this go-around trail. No problem for the 570. Holy geez. There's the Renegade. Oh, look at her. Sitting there all sad looking. Yeah. Oh yeah, put her neutral. Good thinking. Oh, shame. Well, at least we're getting her home anyways. Man, I can't thank Devin enough, man. He's gone above and beyond. You know what? I do the same thing for him. No problem. Do it in a heartbeat. It's just to break over that breakover angle.
Well, it doesn't help that we are actually up a hill.
Yeah. I mean, we could try turning the truck around if you want.
It's up to you.
Do you want to try that first?
Turn the truck around and see where it's at on the road where it...
Yeah. All right, pushing her up on the trailer uphill, just not working. We're gonna try something different. Plan B. These things are heavy. They're heavy. Oh yeah. Backing her up like a champ. Oh man, this sucks. What a guy. Salt of the earth guy right there, Devin. So we're gonna have to turn this around. Pushing it down. That steering bushing is friggin' dry.
Oh yeah, we got her.
Hear that? That's that bushing at the bottom. Oh, here we go. We got her. Oh, friggin' right. Good thinking. That made all the difference in the world. We'll figure out what the hell's wrong with it.
I'm sure you will.
Yeah, we will
Well,
eventually.
Pretty smart if you need a hand. Like Joe helps me with everything.
Yeah, we'll get hold of Joe.
He likes that kind of stuff.
Right on.
He likes helping people too, which is nice.
Good. Well, that's just it. Everyone needs a hand every now and then, and you just give a hand, and it comes back around.
Yep.
That's really what it's all about, eh?
Friggin' right.
All right.
All right, man.
All right. Thanks so much.
Oh, see ya.
All right, we got plans sorted out. The Renegade's on its way home. I gotta take the 570 home. Still lots to do. Got here just as he was unloading. Pretty good timing. I ripped around the trail with the 570 pretty good. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Big shout out to Devin. Can't thank him enough. I was in a pickle. And it just goes to show you how tight-knit this ATV community is. Someone needs a hand, you help them out. That's what I would do, and he did the same for me. Thanks so much. So it's an obvious wire is grounded out or something. So I'm checking some obvious points. And just as I was taking things apart here, check it out right here. I think this is the wiring for my fuel pump. Look at this. Look at, it's friggin' worn into the sheathing, or the protective sheathing, right into the wires. That would make sense if it was something with the fuel pump line, because as soon as you hit the power up here, sends power to the fuel pump to wake it up. Maybe that's it. Let's dive in a little deeper, shall we? So this is a wear spot from underneath the fender. And then there's a second one right here. And I can see where it's broken through barely. So if the bare wire is touching this bracket, that's gonna cause a short or a ground out or whatever you wanna call it. But the funny thing is I tested this thing 20 startups after I changed the starter solenoid / relay thing. No problem. But Then I went out for a ride, and as soon as I shut it off, it wouldn't start again. So when you're riding, I'm getting movement, bouncing around. That's what didn't make any sense. Why is it working 20 times in a row, and then the 21st time, it doesn't? Hopefully this is it. It's gotta be it. It has to be. Okay, check this out. It's getting better and better. I'm just trying to get some slack in the wiring, and back by the fuel tank, this is in a loop, back like this, kind of down like that. I took the zip tie off, pulled it out, and look at the frickin' wiring under there. Holy frig. I mean, what the hell do they do from the factory? Friggin' brutal. I think the wiring's okay. It just went through the sheathing. Oh man, this is ridiculous. Point of clarification here. The wires that I was talking about, I said they're for the fuel pump. They're not. They're a heavy gauge wire. That doesn't make any sense. Upon further inspection, once I got things sorted out, you see those 3 yellow wires? They're like, I don't know, 14 or 12 gauge, not sure what size they are. They go into the voltage regulator. So they're the voltage regulator wires. It doesn't really matter which wires they are. They're rubbing, cause a short, and I am super confident. I'm 95% confident that this is what the problem is. Come on, baby. Oh, you son of a... That did not fix the problem. Son of a beep beep. All right, well that didn't pan out, but I'm looking at another section. Maybe I found the culprit. It's definitely gonna be an issue. Let me show you. I'm at the front left-hand part of the machine by the ECU under the front fender here. Okay, so I got this panel off, obviously. Now, this wiring here, I noticed I had some rubbing previously. Now, you can see where it's rubbing. Now, I did put a bunch of electro tape on there, and I took it off just to inspect. I don't see any big issues there. I'm not saying that couldn't be a problem, but I started looking around, and this wire here is sitting right on this metal piece of the frame by the shock mount. It was a bit of a chore to expose this wiring, and I mean, there's just a mess of them in here. And I'm like, something's gotta have worn through. And I think I found it on this black yellow one here. I don't think I can get it to you in the camera. Oh yeah, right friggin' there. My thumb is. You're probably not gonna be able to see it, but there's the ever so slight, I can see copper. So we're gonna tape that up, protect this all. It's running. Okay, let's do another test. There she goes. Okay. All right, so I just took her for a good little burn. I am feeling very confident it'll start right back up. But there's only one way to know for sure. Come on, baby. Oh, wait, let her power it. She hasn't powered down all the way yet. Come on. Okay, it's power down, on. Yeah, buddy. Well, I think we got her solved. Fingers crossed. I just got to go out for a real ride. And hopefully have someone that can tow me home if something else goes wrong electrically. Whew. Thanks for sticking around for the journey. I really appreciate it. If you want to learn a little bit more about how I got into this Renegade over here, why don't you check out this video right here. Thanks. See you in the next one. Cheers.